Dear Diary, a few brands have heard that I'm modeling with Adrian Agreste, and they've started sending me products. Both Too Faced and Tarte Cosmetics sent me some eyeshadow palettes. Alia is jealous because she's never gotten products from them, even with her blog. I guess this photo shoot is a bigger deal than I thought. I might have bitten off more than I can chew this time. 3 more days until the photo shoot. I can't wait, but I'm also terribly nervous. I mean, what if I get to do some model poses with Adrian? I don't know if I can do it, Diary. What if I blush the whole time and they call off the gig? Oh, well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Good night, Marinette.